Thanks for staying tuned. Welcome back. I'm Christine, and for those of you who missed the first segment, I'm here with Brenda Boushard and Edwin Cook, formerly of the Platters. What a fabulous opening to the show, and we're going to go lead right back in and some more Christmas carols.
Pleasure to be here.
Honor to have
Let's
you.
do this song. Chestnuts roasting on an open fire, Jack Frost nipping at your nose, Yuletide carols being sung by a choir, and folks dressed up like Eskimos. Everybody knows a turkey and some mistletoe help to make the season right. Tiny tots with their eyes all aglow will find it hard to sleep tonight. They know that Santa's on his way. He's loading lots of toys and goodies on his sleigh, and every mother's child is gonna spy to see if reindeer really know how to fly. And so I'm offering this simple phrase to kids from 1 to 92. Many ways, Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas, everybody.
Yay, Merry Christmas. Bravo. This is quite a nice medley that you've cooked up here. Again, I'm with Edwin Cook, formerly of the Platters, and
Cornell Gunther's Coasters.
I know, I gotta
and the
say
Edwin
it.
Cook Show.
Oh,
I'm
yes,
just
you
kidding.
have your own show.
Sure, I do. I
You
just
want to
work
talk
with
for a
it.
minute about that real quick?
Well, you know
or?
what? This is my manager right here. We've
And,
been together for like 15 years.
And musical director.
Musical director. You wear so many
And
hats.
appliance repair.
Actually, it was
And
kind of...
car repair.
Oh, yeah.
We have some jokes there today.
Yeah, they're inside jokes, I
think I
know,
told you
but
about
yeah.
that one.
But I'm glad you know what you know, because again, we had some technical difficulties at the beginning of the show. And boy, Brenda, you were right in there. Well, how many tours have you guys been on?
Oh, God. We can't.
Plenty.
Yeah. I don't think we could count that.
Plenty.
No,
We've
yeah.
done a lot of concerts.
Well, you've been together for how long?
At least 15 years now, huh?
I can't hear you.
Testing 1, 2.
Yeah,
At least
that was
15
part
years
of our
now.
problem. Yeah.
Yeah.
At least 15 years now,
Yeah.
working together.
At least, yeah.
That's amazing. And so the band is the Double B, or is that that's another?
Oh,
Whoops,
you know
another
what?
joke.
You're talking about the Company B Orchestra.
Yes, I am.
Oh, there was a group of musicians I put together to do this special project this past year called Granny's Got a Tramp Stamp.
Oh, are we going to be doing that here in a minute?
I think you're
we
going to
have
run
a video.
some footage, but I would need
Right.
10 pieces to do that.
That's right. I have heard.
I have-
It's pretty funny.
Yeah.
And you're the lead on that, the lead
Yes, I am.
singer on that. So, are there some racy lyrics in there? Because if Granny has a tramp stamp.
You know what? Your 3-year-old can sing this and it will not embarrass you.
Okay, good.
In public.
Oh.
Well, you know, Granny's come in all ages now, so.
What
Granny's are 35 years old now, 40.
Oh, that's
so
true.
They come in all ages
yeah,
now,
yeah. I guess I could be a grandmother, but we're not going to talk about that.
so. Hey.
It's just a tongue-in-cheek kind of tune. Matt Dorman wrote the lyrics.
Uh-huh.
And I wrote the music, and we did it with this kicking hot band.
Right.
Yeah,
So,
132 beats a minute. It's a driver.
wow, that I remember it is very high energy. So, let me ask you: are you two doing shows in town now, or? What's the gigs?
We're doing your show.
Well, I know. I'm
Right,
so
like
lucky too.
now.
I know this is a good show to be on too.
Was that a trick question?
No, it wasn't actually.
wasn't?
But
Okay.
that's so Vegas.
checking.
You know.
That's so big.
That's so Vegas.
It is so Vegas.
Right.
Well, currently we're just working on putting some stuff together.
Microphone.
You know what? I'm not used to having a microphone, even though I'm a singer. No, we're just putting some stuff together right now with different artists and stuff right now. So
Okay, that's
it's
good.
actually secret. We're gonna introduce it on your show.
Wonderful. Anytime, boy. I'm ready. But
Does
this
you want
is
to clue me in? No, I'm kidding.
it's a surprise.
You know what? Actually, to answer your question legitimately and honestly, we do our concerts on the road. We don't work in town. When we work in town is either in the studio or like we're doing right now. We do appearances, but such as this. But as far as showroom and stuff, our show is the concert stage. That's what
I've got you. Yeah, you need a bigger venue than just like a little nightclub or something.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, definitely.
Right.
Definitely.
Do you have other tunes here that
Oh, yeah,
you?
we do.
Yeah, well, I'm sure people would rather.
You want a boogie again?
Are we gonna do Granny?
We like boogie.
Oh no.
No,
he
we'll
was
run a
gonna-
video.
He was
Yeah.
going to run the video
That's what
on
I'm saying.
that.
Is it, okay, well, we're
I
gonna do
don't-
another boogie.
We're going to boogie right
Okay,
now.
well, let's boogie.
Okay, let's all
down.
boogie.
I can boogie.
I can boogie too. Grandmas can
Okay.
boogie. You could write a song like that. Grandmas can boogie.
You are about to hear White Christmas like you've
White
never
Christmas?
heard
Oh,
it
it's
before.
one of my
White Christmas?
favorites.
Yeah.
It's another boogie. She likes the boogie.
I see that.
Here we go. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones I used to know. Where the treetops glisten and children listen to hear sleigh bells in the snow. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas with every Christmas card I write. May your days, may your days, may your days be merry and bright. And may all your Christmases be white. Come, they told me, pa-rum-pa-pum-pum. A newborn king to see, pa-rum-pa-pum-pum. Our finest gifts we bring, pa-rum-pa-pum-pum. To lay before the king, pa-rum-pa-pum-pum, rum-pa-pum-pum, rum-pa-pum-pum. So I play for him, pa-rum-pa-pum-pum, on my drum.
On your drum. I'm there.
Feliz Navidad. You know this one.
I do.
Feliz Navidad. Sing along. Feliz Navidad. Prospero año y felicidad. They know this one. Feliz Navidad. Yeah. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Prospero año y felicidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Cha cha cha.
Wow. Okay. We got to cut to a break. We'll be right back with a very special chef. He was once called the hottest chef in Las Vegas. So stay tuned. We'll be back.